been at ProtoCAM since December 2018. Decided to make me work here. When I actually interviewed with Ron, the CEO, you could tell how passionate he was about his business, and it's something that he really enjoys, and that was kind of refreshing for me. During my interview with Ron and with Ed and Bob, they were pretty open about the fact that this is kind of like a second family. Ron kind of goes above and beyond to make work someplace that you want to go to, and everybody works really well together. That's something that I haven't had before. Working at ProtoCAM, my responsibility is the customer service end, so when customers request a quote, it goes to the engineers. They give me the information and the numbers, and I put it in the system. I give that to the customers, usually by email, and then they either proceed with the order or not. And from there, I would process that into an order and do the work orders and make sure the engineers have everything that they need on their end. And then I make sure, I help with making sure shipping's going on track and follow up customer, questions, and that's kind of my main responsibility, along with phones and making sure our customers are happy and satisfied. So a typical day would be, checking my emails, making sure that customer questions are answered, and quickly, because we don't like to make them wait. That's part of our ProtoCAM customer service, is we want to make sure everybody's happy and keep things moving smoothly, and that's what keeps our customers. So checking my email daily, making sure that all the quote requests are processed, following up with the engineers to make sure they're not needing anything. And then from there, it's kind of just answering phones and, making sure that all the orders are through, work orders are present, make sure nothing else is needed. Everybody from Ron, the CEO, down to the shop, people that work back there, they're all very helpful. And everybody that's been here, there's no turnover. They're all very knowledgeable, and we're all very happy. So everybody that is here knows what they're doing, and nobody's afraid to answer any questions that I may have. The engineers are fantastic, especially with our new ISO certification. They've gone out of their way to really just take that time and make sure that everything flows nicely for me and for Faye in the front office. So that's the most refreshing thing, is just how open and friendly and how knowledgeable and patient everybody is learning this role. It's been nice. One thing I'd like to relay to our customers is that we are very customer service focused here. That's one thing that is really nice about ProtoCAM, is that it's our main concern. It's the core of our company. We do like to make sure that our customers are happy. And one of the reasons why we're doing this new ISO certification is not only to make sure that we're in protocol, and the main thing is that we are exceeding our customer expectation, not only by product quality, but also by delivery. We want to make sure everything is timely. We want to make sure our customers are satisfied, and that goes back to the whole customer service. We really do go above and beyond for our customers. That helps with retention, and then word of mouth. People hear good things about the company and they're referred here. So customer service really is the core of ProtoCAM, which is really nice because a lot of other companies aren't like that. They're revenue driven, whereas we are about our customers. So if there's anything that our customers need or want, bring it to our attention, because we'll be more than happy to try to help them. So.